حامدا لله الحميد مصليا ومسلما على حبيبه المجيد أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رحماء بينهم صدق الله العظيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا سيدي يا حبيب الله. After glorifying the Almighty and sending abundance of praises and salutations to His beloved Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, respected honorable judges, listeners and attendees, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, I would like to take a few minutes out of your time to enlighten you and talk about the true respect and the true relationship. And the respect I'm going to talk about is not an ordinary, but it's a reality on which we all are sleeping on. And by having this respect will hopefully be one of the reasons for us to enter Jannah. And if we talk about ourselves, we cannot learn that how to respect Ahlul Bayt. So we need to take example of a best man. And how can I tell you that what a great man he was? What a great model he was, who is known as Sahibul Yaqeen, Sahibul Ma'rifah, Afdalul Bashar, Ba'd al-Anbiya, Sayyiduna Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. He was the best of the men after the Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And just to show a glimpse of love he had for the Ahlul Bayt, it has been narrated by Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. He says, وَالَّذِي نَفْسِي بِيَدِهِ لَقَرَابَةُ رَسُولِ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ أَحَبُّ إِلَيَّ أَنْ أَسِلَ مِنْ قَرَابَتِي. He says, I swear by the one in whose hand is my soul, that the love I have for the family of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is more than my own family. But it wasn't just Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu who had this love for Ahlul Bayt. Rather, Ahlul Bayt also had this love for Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. To dig deeper into this mutual love, it almost seemed to be like that they were competing to love each other. A great example of this love, that once Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu was going to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and Sayyidina Ali al-Murtada radiyallahu anhu also came. Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu says that, Ya Ali, you go ahead. And in response to this, with great respect, Sayyidina Ali radiyallahu anhu says that, how can I go before you, Ya Aba Bakr? Because you are ahead of everyone in all the goodness and charity. And with great humbleness, Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu replies. What he says? He says, Ya Ali, you are more closer to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam than everyone. But it doesn't finish here. But this love further go ahead. And the door of knowledge and wisdom says that the sun has not risen on anyone of this ummah higher than Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. And he says, let him who want to see Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam look at the face of Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. Dear audience, while on the other hand, what Siddiq says? Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu says that the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said at the time of the marriage of his beloved daughter, Sayyida Fatimatu Zahra radiyallahu anha, that I have given the best of women in the hand of best of a man. And to conclude my speech, I would like to share a beautiful hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, which we should all keep close to our hearts. The Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, Al-mar'u ma'a man ahabba. My dear brothers, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam says that we will be with those whom we love. So we should try to attain the love of Ahlul Bayt, and most importantly the Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, because it's a chance for us to enter the gates of Jannah under the shade of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam with Ahlul Bayt. Wa ma tawfiqi illa billah.